Hi, I'm meteorologist Tony Petrarca on the Pinpoint 12 Forecast Center. You've clicked on the Weather Now link on this late Wednesday evening, almost 10 o'clock. We'll look back on the high temperatures today. Keep in mind the average high for this time of year is 79, so these numbers running 10, 12 degrees above average, but generally upper 80s to lower 90s. But when you factor in the high humidity, these numbers feel hotter. It's what we call the heat index, and that was running well into the 90s this afternoon. And the same situation coming up on Thursday afternoon as well. Dew points remain high, lower 70s, just an indication of a very humid atmosphere. So the heat advisory extended into Thursday and even Friday, though I think Thursday would be the hotter day coming up with the actual air temperature approaching the low 90s. Warm weekend, but it's not hot. And we'll see a gradual cool down. A few showers over the weekend. I think the slightly better chance would be on Sunday. It doesn't look like a washout, so we don't have what I would call a rainy weekend where it's just that. It's a washout and you're stuck in the house and it's raining, but it can't rule out some passing showers from time to time over the weekend. And actually still humid. Tropics remain active. We have a new hurricane in the Atlantic. I'll show you that in just a second. Skies are clear across New England. No issues with rain or storms or thunder. Take you way out in the central Atlantic. This is newly formed Hurricane Lee. 2,200 miles from the coast of Florida, to give you an idea of just how far out this storm is. This is a high-resolution satellite photo taken from this afternoon, and it shows that twist, that circular geometric shape to the cloud structure, indication that it is unfortunately getting better organized and anticipated to get much stronger. Latest from the Hurricane Center has winds at 75, moving northwest at 14. Here's the long-range forecast now. This goes all the way out to Monday at about 2 o'clock. It takes it well north of the Leeward Islands as a Category 4 hurricane. Powerful storm. The Bahamas right up to the north of this. And you can see by Monday, all interest along the East Coast from Florida to New England need to watch it closely. A lot of our computer guidance suggesting that it may curve back out to sea, but where exactly that happens will dictate whether or not we get any impacts along the East Coast. And keep in mind, if that were to happen, and quite simply, we don't know this far out, but if that were to happen, it really wouldn't be until the latter part of next week. So bottom line, a lot of time to be looking at this. All right, closer to home, it's just more of the same. Thursday morning, any patchy fog early, giving way to hazy sunshine, rapid warm-up. Look at that, 11 a.m. It's already at 88 degrees. The classrooms, much like today, very warm. Air temperature at 90. Room temperatures are pretty uncomfortable. So, some schools are either dismissing early on Thursday or have canceled school altogether. So you want to check out our website, WPRI.com, or certainly our newscast coming up at 10 and 11, and again in the morning, 12 News this morning, which starts at 4:30. So again, a hot, humid day. We don't think it's probably not a record breaker. The record's 96, but we'll get into the upper 80s to lower 90s, throw in the humidity, and it does feel hotter. Those heat index values, again, will be well into the 90s. Beaches, that's where you find the relief. Sunshine, air temperature along the shoreline about 80, 85.